Hi there, it's Dave Shannon from Driver Head School of Motoring. This video today is looking at Basford Roundabout, or sometimes still called the MFI Roundabout. Coming down from Newcastle, the Basford area, down to the roundabout to make a right turn onto the A500 southbound. On the left we've got Pure Gym. Going ahead we're heading towards Festival Park and up towards Hanley Cove, that sort of area. So for a right turn, as always, we're going to approach in that right lane, right signal on. Now what we need to do here is pay close attention to the road markings and the road signs. I'm going to pause the video a couple of times as we progress forwards. Now as we enter, we keep in right. Now the first set of road marks, if we stop there, says ahead, and we're not going ahead, we're making a right turn, so we need to come across again. We can see there, right turn A500 south, that's where we need to be. Now as we come around past the next exit, it's coming up to a set of traffic lights. If we look at the sign on the right, this white sign, it says A500 south is in the left lane and also can use the right lane. So we're going to come forwards into the left hand lane. Now if this lane was busy, then we might use the right lane to overtake, but today it's not, so we're going to keep to that left hand lane, taking this exit up in front of us now, and that's going to take us down onto the A500. As always, hope this video has helped to clear things up and it helps you to understand how to deal with that particular roundabout. If you like and subscribe to the channel, you'll get these videos direct to your inbox. If there are any videos that you particularly like to see, anything you're stuck with or anything you like clearing up, leave a message in the comments below and we'll do our best to help you out.